KFC and its iconic fried chicken. Since you've shared this detailed narrative, I'm assuming you're looking for some kind of analysis, insight, or specific information related to it. However, you haven't provided a direct question. To make this response as useful as possible, I'll break down the key elements of KFC's story as presented, offer some insights, and then ask for clarification if you have a specific question in mind. If you want me to focus on something particular, like the recipe, the supply chain, or KFC's business model, just let me know. ###Key takeaways from the KFC story. 1. Colonel Sanders' innovation. Harlan Sanders revolutionized fast food by adapting a pressure cooker to fry chicken, reducing cook time from 30 minutes to about 10 minutes. This innovation allowed KFC to scale and meet demand efficiently. His 11 herbs and spices recipe, developed in the 1930s, remains a closely guarded secret, split between two suppliers, McCormick and Griffith Laboratories, to maintain confidentiality. 2. Supply chain and sourcing. KFC sources chickens from major U.S. suppliers like Tyson Foods and Pilgrim's Pride. The chickens are raised in climate-controlled barns, fed as cereal grain mix, and reach market weight, 6 to 7 pounds, in about 6 weeks. U.S. law prohibits hormones/steroids, ensuring natural growth. Processing is humane, using slow-induction anesthesia, CO2 chambers, and USDA-compliant methods to maintain meat quality and safety. 3. Preparation process. KFC's original recipe involves a meticulous breading process: flour, salt, dried milk, egg powder, and the secret spice blend, hand-folded 20 times. The chicken is dipped in water, coated with seasoned flour using a 7-scoop and fold, 7-lift and fold technique, and fried in a pressure fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. The boneless chicken sandwich follows a similar process but gets a double flour coating for extra crispiness. 4. Branding and legacy. The red and white bucket, introduced in 1957 by Pete Harmon, is a global fast food icon. The slogan "It's finger lickin' good" and the name Kentucky Fried Chicken also came from Harmon, cementing KFC's brand identity. KFC's innovations influenced competitors like Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, shaping the modern fast food chicken industry. 5. Operational efficiency. KFC's hot holding unit keeps chicken at 165 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 90 minutes, ensuring freshness without drying out. The supply chain is streamlined, with processing plants located near farms to reduce stress on chickens and maintain meat quality. ###. Insights and analysis. Secret recipe as a marketing tool. The 11 herbs and spices secrecy is as much a marketing strategy as it is a culinary one. By keeping the recipe under lock and key and splitting production between suppliers, KFC creates a mystique that sets it apart from competitors. This has helped maintain brand loyalty despite countless imitators. Pressure frying innovation. Sanders' use of a pressure cooker was a game changer, allowing KFC to serve high-quality fried chicken quickly. This technology gave KFC a competitive edge in the early fast food era and remains a cornerstone of its operations. Sustainability and ethics. The narrative emphasizes humane treatment, e.g., slow induction anesthesia, no hormones/steroids, and compliance with USDA regulations. This reflects growing consumer demand for ethical sourcing, though KFC's massive scale, e.g., 2 million chickens processed weekly, raises questions about sustainability that the narrative doesn't address. Global impact. KFC's model of consistency, same recipe, same breading technique worldwide, and scalability set a template for fast food chains. Its influence on competitors underscores its role as an industry pioneer. ###. Potential areas for further exploration. If you have a specific angle you'd like me to dive into, here are some possibilities based on the narrative. Recipe speculation. While the exact 11 herbs and spices are secret, I could explore common spices used in Southern fried chicken recipes and compare them to KFC's flavor profile. Business strategy. Analyze how KFC's franchise model and global expansion built its empire. Supply chain logistics, break down the efficiency of KFC's poultry sourcing and processing, or compare it to competitors like Popeyes or Chick-fil-A. Cultural impact, discuss how KFC's branding, e.g., the bucket, the Colonel's persona, became a global phenomenon. Nutrition or sustainability, examine the nutritional aspects of KFC's chicken or the environmental impact of its large-scale poultry operations. ### clarification needed. Since you didn't ask a specific question, could you let me know what you'd like me to do with this information? For example, are you looking for a summary, critique, or fact check of the narrative? Do you want me to research something specific, like KFC's current operations, competitors, or the feasibility of replicating their recipe? Would you like me to generate a chart, e.g., comparing KFC's processing times to traditional frying methods, or analyze a specific aspect of the supply chain? Please provide more details, and I'll tailor the response to your needs. In the meantime, I can search X or the web for real-time updates on KFC's operations or check user posts for recent insights if you'd like. Just let me know.